Tell us about what's getting ready to happen.
All right, we are going to light some fire out of these stacks. Hopefully, we're going to go for around 50 foot. So tonight, we got a brand new operator going to be running the truck. So I'm going to oversee and I'm going to make sure everything goes right.
I understand that. That gets a little warm up there.
That's it. Time for me to start turning the reins over.
Y'all know what y'all talking about. Don't say you don't. I know you watched it. Yes. Is there bacon muffins? We're going to go for a big flame. Jim said, I ain't getting that close. Yeah. Check that out. Y'all feel the heat? Man. He's like, hold on, I gotta get a breath of fresh air. We're gonna go for it again? No, that was it? That's how much fuel do you burn in that one? That was 4.5 gallons in 50 foot. Ladies and gentlemen, give Jim Bevins a big round of applause. And his cohort. But what was his name again? Muffin. Yep. Muffin's like, yep, I done it. Jim, you lost your job. That's it. You can retire. Oh, that's it. All right. He's gonna let it cool off. He's sweating right there. One more big round of applause for Muffin and Jim on the flame stove.